Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. Today I will talk about one of the issues that Google faced related to the calendar services. So I have just opened a Chrome. I would like to share one thing with you is that there are dozens of Google application and this is a location where you can see all the status of your Google application, how it is running and when there was outage. So everything is captured in this G Suite status dashboard. So let me share you the URL. So the URL is, what you can do is google.com/apps status. So once you search it, you will get this dashboard. And today is 6/18, and if you see against Google Calendar, there was outage, and this outage was from 7:52 India time IST till around 10:43 p.m. IST. So it is resolved now, and it is working fine. So this is a very good application wherein you can see all the mobile application on the left hand side, and you will have status, datewise status. Like there was some issue yesterday with the Gmail as well, so if I search for it, Gmail service, there was an issue. You can see here when it started and when it completed. And if you want to see any old issues, you can look for it. Likewise, older, you can see here on 9th of May there was another issue with Gmail. So if you click on that colored icon, you will see when the issue started and when it completed. And one thing, this is about the icon, how it will look like if there is no issue. It is green, amber, service deception, and pink, service outage. You will see many applications here, and you can either click on newer or older to just navigate between dates. Hangout also had issue 6/18, 8:24 p.m. So one point to remember here is that these issues might be to few users, may not be for all the users, and if it is for all the users, probably they will report it as a service outage rather than service disruption. I hope this video will help you to understand more about Google applications and how the status are maintained. You can always access this dashboard and get your information brushed up with the latest one. Thanks for watching this video. Please like my video and subscribe to it. Thanks again.